guys! Welcome to my vlog. For today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of math and exploring loans with partial payment before maturity. Gusto mo bang matuto? Get ready for a simplified journey to the complexities of financial mathematics.
Example 1. Rizal borrowed 20,000 pesos at 11% interest for 150 days. On day 50, Rizal made a partial payment of 5,000 pesos. On day 80, she made a second payment of 7,000 pesos. What is the final amount due on the loan? Solution: partial payment timeline. Term of loan is 150 days. The partial payment 1 is day 50, the partial payment 2 is day 80, and the maturity date is 150, so the loan date is day 0. The partial payment 1 is 80 minus 50, so 30 days. Then the partial payment 2, 150 minus 80, so 70 days. Given, principal or P sub 1 is equal to 20,000 pesos, rate is equal to 11% converted to 0.11, time or T sub 1 is equal to 50 days. The formula we use is I is equal to PRT. We need to substitute P is equal to 20,000 pesos, R is equal to 0.11, time is 50 over 360. 20,000 pesos times 0.11 times 50 over 360 is equal to 305.55. So our interest is 305.55. We need to subtract the interest to the partial payment, which is 5,000 pesos, the first partial payment. So the minus 305.55, the accumulated interest, is equal to 4,694.45, the amount of partial payment left to reduce the principal. Reduce the principal, 20,000 pesos, the original payment, minus 4,964.45, the amount of first payment used to reduce principal, is equal to 15,035.55 new adjusted principal. A second partial payment of 7,000 was made on day 80. Recall that we have a new adjusted principal and time duration for the second payment. P sub 2 is equal to 15,035.55. Rate is equal to 11% converted to 0.11. Time is equal to 80 minus 50 is equal to 30 days. I is equal to PRT. Substitute P, 15,035.55 times the rate of 0.11 times the time 30 over 360 is equal to 137.83. So the interest is 137.83. We need to subtract the interest to the partial payment, which is 7,000 pesos, second partial payment, minus 137.83 accumulated interest, equal to 6,862.17 amount of partial payment left to reduce the principal. And then, reduce the principal after the second partial. 15,035.55 new principal minus 6,862.17 amount of second partial payment used to reduce principal is equal to 8,173.38, the new adjusted principal. P is equal to 8,173.38. The rate is equal to 11% converted to 0.11. Time is equal to 150 minus 80 is equal to 70 days. We need to substitute in our formula I is equal to PRT, which is P is equal to 8,173.38, rate is equal to 0.11, and time is 70 over 360. I is equal to 174.82. Then, we apply the formula F is equal to P plus 1, or the maturity value is equal to principal plus interest is equal to P is 8,173.38. The interest is 174.82 is equal to 8,348.20. So the maturity value is equal to 8,348.20. Note that when Razel makes two partial payments, Razel's total interest is 612.20 times 305.55 plus 137.83 plus 174.82. If Razel had paid the entire loan after 150 days, her interest payment would have been P is equal to 20,000 pesos, rate is equal to 11% converted to 0.11, time is equal to 150 days. So formula I is equal to PRT, we need to substitute P is equal to 20,000 pesos, R is equal to 0.11, and time is equal to 150 over 360. So the interest is equal to 916.67. Thus she has a saving of 916.67 minus 612.20 is equal to 304.47.
And that's all guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy and learn a lot in this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.